Hello, boys and girls. How are you? Fine? Excellent. Today we are going to continue practicing phonology. Here we go. Open your book to page number 24, Phonology Lesson 4. Okay, Lesson 4. Listen and point to the word in your book. Listen and number. Say the missing word. Listen and pronouns. Before to do that, we are going to practice a tongue twister, a new tongue twister. Are you ready? Yes? Here we go.
Tall Tom took Tiny Tim to Texas.
Okay, excellent. Now listen to the word list. Okay? Pay attention.
Lesson 4. The words you will hear are not necessarily in the same order as the ones in the book. Watch out for the missing word. Take. Take. Spring. Spring. Sun. Sun. Top. Top. Socks. Socks. Tell. Tell. Tent. Tent. Sun. Sun. School. School.
Okay, excellent. As you see, you have two examples here, socks and tent. Do you know what is the missing word? Yes, I know that you know that. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know by email or by platform. And remember, happiness is vacation. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye-bye.